Here's a quick guide on how to fix the chat draw or doodle option not showing on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app and make sure it's updated to the latest version. You can do this by going to the App Store or Google Play Store, searching for Instagram, and tapping Update if available. Many times, missing features like the draw or doodle tool are caused by outdated versions of the app. Next, open your Instagram and go into your direct messages. Tap on any chat where you want to use the draw feature. Then tap the camera icon in the bottom left corner. Once the camera opens, take a photo or select one from your gallery. If you still don't see the draw or doodle option in the top right corner, close the app completely and reopen it. The draw and doodle tools only appear when chat features are fully integrated with Meta's updated messaging system. If it still doesn't show up, try logging out and back into your account or reinstalling Instagram completely. Once reinstalled, open a chat, tap the camera, and you should now see the draw icon, a small squiggly line in the top corner of the screen. If this guide helped you, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe so we can continue helping others.